found an image I like to get my Procreate ready. What I'll do is I got a basic template here, and in Procreate and in your windows or for these panels, what we're going to do is we're going to do split screen. And up here, you're going to see right up here. Let's get my Apple Pencil out here. Here we go. Right here, you're going to see the 3 dots right up here. So we're going to tap on the 3 dots right up there, right? And it's going to full screen, split view, and slide over. So it will split view. And then what you want to do is you want to tap on your browser window, and you found the image you want to work with. So what we do is we go here and we tap on the image, hold down, drag that image, and let go. Imports it as a separate layer. And then you see there's this little bar in the middle. Right there's a little bar between the two, okay? That little bar, you're gonna see it's faint. Drag it over, make it into one big video, one big window. Now